Hi everyone, let us solve the second question of the JEE Advanced series. We have given that if the slope of the tangent is minus 4 by 3 and tangent is drawn to this circle in the first quadrant which meets to the coordinate axis at the point A and B and O is the origin. Alright. So, let us first draw the favorable cases or the structure which we have given in the question. A circle, what do we have given? We have given 25. So, I am dividing by 25 both sides. So, it will become x square plus y square equals to 144 by 25. I can write 12 upon 5 whole square. So, what kind of circle do we have now? It's a center at origin. So, I can assume this kind of circle. Alright. Now, slope of the tangent already we have given. So, how much slope we have given? Minus 4 by 3 which is negative. So, what kind of tangent I can expect here? Something like this way. This will be the tangent which I can expect here. Now, they are saying this tangent intersect coordinate axis at the point A, B and this will be the origin. So, I guess easily we can find out the equation of this tangent AB. How we can find out here? See that since we know that equation of tangent in slope form, how much do we have now? Y equal to mx plus minus r root over m square plus 1. Correct or not? So, y equal to m we have given minus 4 by 3 x and then we can write out here plus or minus r. R how much do we have given? 12 by 5. So, 12 by 5 root over minus 4 by 3 whole square, that is 16 by 9 plus 1. Alright. So, this will be how much? Y equal to minus 4 by 3 x and plus minus 12 by 5 and this will be what? 16 plus 9, 25. 25 by 9 means what? 5 by 3. So, 5 by 3 I can write out, which is nothing but y equal to minus 4 by 3x plus or minus, cancel out 3 4 ja. So, this will become 4 itself. Now, question is which one we have to take, plus or minus? So, see very carefully. Since slope is negative and the tangent is drawn in the first quadrant, so obviously this is the only possibility. And if you are drawing the tangent in the first quadrant, so their x intercept and y intercept both should be positive. Problem is if you take negative, then if you substitute x equal to 0, y intercept we are getting minus 4, which is not possible. Alright. So, what is the possibility do we have now? Only one, and that will be y equal to minus 4 by 3x and this will become plus. So, let us simplify it. What we are going to get now? 3y minus 4x plus 12, or we can write out here 4x plus 3y equals to 12. From here I guess we can write the point A as well as point B also. So, what is the point A we are going to get now? Substitute y equal to 0. So, this x will be 12 by 4. So, how much you are going to get now? 3 comma 0. And similarly, if you substitute x equal to 0, so 12 by 3 that is 4. So, 0 comma 4 and origin already we have given 0 comma 0. So, I guess now we can focus on the option. So, if you see the option, Incentre and Orthocentre of triangle AOB. So, AOB, I am talking about this triangle, alright. So, it is a right angle triangle. Are integral points, okay. Do you know what is the meaning of integral points? So, A comma B is integral points if A and B both belongs to integer, alright. So, I guess orthocentre is quite obvious. Why? Because it is a right angle triangle, so orthocentre will be at the origin itself, because at origin we are having right angle. So, what is the orthocentre we are going to get now? So, orthocentre will be, orthocentre is nothing but we are getting 0 comma 0, which is the integral points. Let us talk about the Incentre. So, I guess Incentre, I am drawing this triangle again. So, this is the right angle triangle which we are going to draw it. This is the right angle triangle, okay. Now, this is the origin which we have given, this is the A point, this is the B point. A will be how much you are going to give now? So, I guess 3 comma 0 and G will be B will be 0 comma 4 we are going to have now, correct. So in orthocentre is already integral points. What about the Incentre? So Incentre, I guess directly we have a formula. If you remember, Incentre means what? A x1 plus B x2 plus C x3 divided by A plus B plus C, and similarly A y1 plus B y2 plus C y3 upon A plus B plus C. So this formula we can apply and we will get the Incentre. What is A here? So A is a distance. So this is the vertex A. So this distance will be how much? You're going to know 4, and this will be 3, and this will be how much? 9 plus 16. So root 25, that is 5 we are going to have now, right or not? So let us find the Incentre. Incentre means A x1. So this is what we are going to get now, A. If you want it right, so write A, and this will be B, and let us assume this will be the C here, right or not? So what we can write out here, tell me? Ax1. So Ax1 means this one into 3, so 12, and B x2, that is 0, and C x3, that is 0. So it means 12 upon A plus B plus C, means 3 plus 4 plus 5. So total how much? 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 by 12 we are getting. And similarly Ay1, what we are going to get now? So Ay1 means 0, By1 means 12, and the Cy1 means 0. So again here also 12 by 12 we are getting. So that is nothing but 1 comma 1, which is the integral point. So first option what we are going to have now, first option will be the correct one. Understood? First option is going to be correct one. Now circumcentre and centroid of a triangle AOB are integral points. So circumcentre, since it's a right angle triangle, so circumcentre will be the midpoint of the hypotenuse, and centroid also we can find out here, right? How to find centroid? So centroid will be something x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and so on, you can utilize here. So 0 plus 3 plus 3, it means 3 by 3. So it's a integral points, 0 plus 4 plus 0 by 3, so 4 by 3. So obviously it's not an integral point. So second option is incorrect. Second option is not correct. What about the third one? So it's incorrect. Third one will be Incentre of this one is irrational. Not at all, because already Incentre we calculated, and that is the rational point. Circumcentre of triangle AOB is rational. So let us find the circumcentre. So I told you circumcentre is nothing but midpoint of AB. What is the circumcentre we are going to get now? Circumcentre is nothing but midpoint of AB. So what is the midpoint of AB we are going to have now? 3 plus 0 by 2. So that is 3 by 2, comma, and 4 plus 0 by 2. So that is 2 itself. So now do not confuse, sir, it's not an integral points, and just cross the option fourth also. Basically they are talking about in the option fourth, circumcentre of AOB is rational point. Yes, so it's a rational, 3 by 2 comma 2, it's a rational point, right or not? So D option is also correct. So what are the correct for this question? A and D. Alright, this question was not much difficult, but yeah,